Which of the following lab findings can be expected? If possible, always look at the lab finding first and then just figure out the answer based on the question. I have a urine analysis, dark brown urine, many RBCs, protein absent, granular casts, showing me a nephritic picture. Apart from that, nothing significant, except that the ESR is also relatively normal, but I can say it is somewhat elevated, not extensively. So we have a 15-year-old boy, facial puffiness, dark urine, nephritic picture on urine, progressively worsening, also states that her son had a sore throat 3 weeks ago. Ta-da! You have your answer. It is post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis. Just to rule out if they are not considering any of the diagnosis, we see if the patient currently has any fever or chills, there's no urinary frequency or abdominal discomfort. The patient is hypertensive, again supporting our diagnosis of nephritic syndrome. All right. So we have PSGN for now as our diagnosis. And so we'll have a positive streptozyme test. Why not the rest? Because it is an inflammatory condition, and we discussed there was a mildly elevated ESR, so it is not normal. Serum creatinine would be increased because it is a glomerular disease. In C3 level would be decreased because it binds with IgG and forms an immune complex that deposits in the glomerulus, and ASO titer would be positive in this case. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.